Hey, guess what? I got my friends from Kubota Rice Company and Nagano. We're gonna have Nagano rice, the 1916 label. But who's the fastest chef?
Man and the pan.
Big shaka to Man in the Pan. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. You know, making something really unbelievably good. It's Miso Yaki Onigiri. Make some musubi with our new 1916 Nagano rice. You have the instructions right in the back. I'm going to make 2 cups of rice. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make the sauce while the rice is cooking. Okay? So the miso sauce, I already did. I put 1 pot of miso. It's organic miso, white miso. It comes from Nagano. Just like the rice. So I'm using Nagano rice and Nagano miso. So you can put like 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. And if you put 1 tablespoon like I did, I just put about half tablespoon of mirin. Okay, there you go. Half tablespoon. Then I put in some sugar, about 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, just like that. And you mix it all up. I'm just making a little because I'm not gonna make too much musubi. Yeah, you gotta taste it. Just right. Okay, leave this on the side. Wait for the rice. Okay, Nagano rice is ready. Perfect rice every time. There you go, perfect rice. To make onigiri, the trick to it, you gotta put some salt. Salt preserved everything, and you know, you don't want to put onigiri inside of the refrigerator, so use the salt to kind of preserve it. You wet your hands, lots of salt, and you make your musubi. I can make small kind, little tight, okay? So watch out, you know, it's really hot, so you know, good to when it's cooled off. But man in the pan, cannot wait. 5 musubi. Frying pan is just about ready, so I put the onigiri. See, this is yaki onigiri. I'm kind of frying the musubi. So this pan is really good because it doesn't stick. That's the great thing about it. Okay, you can turn it over when it's a little crispy on the outside. But you know, make sure the heat is a little bit on the lower side because miso burns really fast. So I just put some miso on the top of each musubi, each onigiri. Okay, just about maybe a minute or so. Put the fire down a little. You can turn it over. You're on low heat. You put miso on the other side. Okay? So there you have it. Yeah? There you go. And the burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. And here you go. Miso Yaki Onigiri. Whoa! Oh, it's so honor. Wow! The Nagano rice is unbelievable. Tastes good, the texture is unreal. It goes good with everything. It absorbs all the great flavors of whatever you do. So good. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.